Hello boys and girls, how are you? Today we will do some revision on topic 15. So go with me to page 909. We will start from there, from the reteaching, because reteaching will cover all the lessons. So page 909. So the first question is saying write the number of sides and vertices, name the shape. So we have three questions, so we have to write how many sides the shape has and how many vertices and what is the shape. So if you look here, so how many sides for this number one, for the green shape? So count with me the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then it has 6 sides. How many vertices? Then let's count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, it has 6. So what is the shape? You remember the shape that has 6 sides, we call it, what we call the shape that has 6 sides. So we call it hexagon. So we call it hexagon. So any shape that with 6 sides, we call it hexagon. Okay, number 2. So let's count the sides. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it has 5 sides. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then also it has 5. So do you remember the shape that has 5 sides and 5 vertices? We call it pentagon. So the name is pentagon. So pentagon. So we write down the shape name, pentagon. Number 3, write the number of angles and then name the shape. So here we will just say the name of the angle. Do you remember where is the angle? So here, this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it has 4 angles. Do you remember what shape has 4 angles and 4 sides? So it's a quadrilateral. So write down the name is quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral. Okay, and or number 4. So we have this shape, and everybody knows this shape has 3 angles. So 1 and 2 and 3. So 3 angles, and you know this shape and what we call it. It's a triangle. Triangle. So this is a triangle. Turn the page with me, boys and girls, to the next page, which is page 910. So 910. And here they want us to draw each polygon. So the shape. So we remember the polygon. The polygon is a shape that a closed shape that has many sides that meet. So the side here are 6. So this number 5, the shape or the polygon has 6 sides. Do you remember? We can draw a shape with 6 sides. So this is 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4, 5, 6. So this is my shape of 6 sides, and we call this hexagon. So you remember any side that has 6 sides, any shape with the 6 sides, we call it hexagon. Okay, so number 3, they said, number 6, they said 3 vertices. So I have 3 vertices. So 1 here, where the side meet. So 1 here, 2 side meet here, and we can make a side here. So meet here, this is 1 vertices, 2 and 3, and we call this what? Triangle. So my ugly triangle. Okay, now we have 5 sides and 2 right angles. So 5 sides, 2 right angles. Do you remember the right angles? When the 2 sides are meeting, when they making a square. So this side can meet this side on square shape. And another one here with square shape. So now I have 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, and I have 2 right angles. Then I have to finish because they said 5 side. Then I can make 1 down and another one like this. So this is a 5 side shape with 2 right angles, and we can call it pentagon because the pentagon has 5 sides. Let's go to number 9. And number 9, they said cross out the shapes that are not cubes. So if you look at this one, is this a cube? No, because this cube does not have equal side. The sides are different and they may be more than 6. So this is not a cube. Cross it out. And this one doesn't have 6 sides. Also, this one will not be a cube. Also, this one, it has side, but they are not equal. This side is smaller than this side. Okay, so we can cross this also out. When we look to this one, so this one has equal 6 sides. I can see 3 sides, and the other 3 are hiding behind this. So this one is a cube. So you see, so 3 of them are not cubes, and this one is a cube. Okay, and then number 10, they said draw a cube, use that dots to help you. So everybody can draw a cube in the paper dot. So you can start from here. I can do this and go this way, go this way, down this way, and we can go down. Then we can meet here. So this is my ugly cube. You remember Miss Fatma cannot draw very well. So this is my cube. Okay, so let's see. We cannot finish all the problems on the reteaching because we did not take all the lessons. So skip page 911 and turn the page, skip also page 912, and we can do the assessment. So we can do some of the assessment. So the assessment said which polygons are pentagons. So which one of these is pentagon? Do you remember the pentagon has 5 sides and it has 5 vertices? So this one has more than 5, and this one is not a pentagon. And this one has 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one is pentagon. We can check it. This one is not because it has 4. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is a pentagon because it has 5 sides. Okay, so let's do number 2. So Rita draw a polygon and it has fewer than 8 sides. That means it could be 6 or 7 and more angles than square. So everybody knows that square has how many angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. But this one, this shape they are talking about is having more than 4. And it has less than 8. That means I can pick one or that is less side. So I can pick, it is triangle. So triangle does not have more than 4 angles. So is it rectangle? No, rectangle is having four, it has four angles. So it could be a hexagon, yes, because the hexagon has less than 8 sides because it has 6 sides, and it has more than 4 angles, more than 4 angles because it has 6 angles. So it could be a hexagon. Then I can circle this one, not this one, because this one has also 4 angles and 4 sides. So the hexagon is my correct answer. So skip number 3 because we did not take this lesson, and draw a polygon with 4 angles. Make one angle a right angle and then name the polygon. So I can draw this shape easily because they said I know what to have. So 4 angles, and they said one of them is right angle, then I can start with that one. So this is the first side, and I can make a right angle by making this corner square. Then I can finish it as any way, but I have to have 4 angles. So this is one angle, and I have to make maybe this way, go this way, because I don't want it to be a right angle. Then it could be like this. This is another angle, okay, and I can make this one. So this is not a right angle, this is not a right angle, this is not a right angle, but this one is a right angle. Then now I have 4 angles. One of them is right angle, make a square, remember, and it has one of them is right angle, and then name what is this polygon. So it has 4 sides and it has 4 angles. Then this one is a, what is it? It is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral. So R-I, so quadrilateral. It is a long name, I know, and it is hard to pronounce it. So it is a quadrilateral. Okay, so turn the page. We will see if we have some problem that with us on the lesson. Then we will be finished at this page. So the number 5, it say, is a polygon a quadrilateral? So let's see. If it is, we will say yes. If it is not, we will say no. So I have 3 sides and 3 angles. So we all know that 3 sides and 3 angles are not a quadrilateral. It is a triangle. Then we will say no. We will circle no. So I have 4 sides and 4 angles. Yes, so we all know the quadrilateral has 4 sides and 4 angles. Then I can say yes. And I am square. Yes, sometimes the quadrilateral is a square, so I can say yes. And I am rectangle. Yes, rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 angles, so it could be a quadrilateral. So I can circle yes. So I have 1 no and 3 yes. Okay, so let's go to number 6, and this is Mandy draw a polygon with 6 sides and 6 angles. Which shape is this? So this, you know, all we know that the shape that with 6 sides and 6 angles is not a pentagon. Pentagon has 5, and it is a hexagon. Okay, so let's go and see number 7. Name the shape below and write 3 things that you know or you describe this shape. So everybody knows this shape is what? Is a quadrilateral. You can write the name is here. So it is a quadrilateral. And they said write 3 things that describe the shape. So we know that the shape has 4 sides. So it has 4 sides. And also it has 4 angles. It has 4 sides, 4 angles, and also it has 4 vertices, right? Vertices. So it has 4 sides, 4 angles, and 4 vertices, and we call it quadrilateral. Okay, so let's go and see number 8. So they said draw the polygon described below. So they give us the description and we have to draw the shape and then complete the sentence. So I have 2 fewer sides than the pentagon. So do you know that the pentagon has 5 sides? But this is 2 fewer. That means 2 less than 5. That means it is 3. Then I know that my shape has 3 sides. That means it will be a triangle, right? So 3 sides, and I have 1 less angle than a square. We all know that the square has 4 angles, but this shape has 1 less. That means it has 3. Then I have to see 3 sides, and the last thing is I have 1 right angle. Then I will do 1 right angle. That means when I draw, I have to make a square corner in 1 side. So these 2 sides meet in a square corner. Okay, that means they are making right angle. Then I will finish my 3rd side. So it will go this way. Then my shape is gonna be a triangle. It has 3 sides, one less angle than this, the square, and 1 right angle here. Then my shape is a triangle. So we can write down triangle. It is a triangle. Okay, so we finished up to here. And then if you have any question, boys and girls, meet me at the discussion room at 7:30. I miss you guys, but you don't come and join me on the discussion room. So please, if you have any question, come and meet me and we will discuss anything that you need help with it. Okay, see you and good luck.